So today we're going to solve problems about the finance work. So 71. According to Indian Boiler Regulations or IBR, the riveted joint for circumferential joint in boilers is of the type A. Single riveted lock joint, B. Lock joint with one ring overlapping the other, C. Butt joint with single cover plate, and D. Butt joint with double cover plate. So the answer is B. Lock joint with one ring overlapping the other. So, in boiler construction, longitudinal joints are typically high-strength butt joints with double cover plates, where circumferential girth joints, which experience of the strength of longitudinal joints, are usually lock joints. So for 72, according to the IBR, the thickness of boiler shell is not to be less than A. 5 mm, B. 7 mm, C. 10 mm, and D. 12 mm. So the answer is B. 7 mm. According to IBR, the thickness of any shell plate shall not be less than 7 mm to ensure structural integrity and a safety margin against corrosion. So 73. Which is the correct statement about riveted joints? So A. Plates joints by riveting are as strong as the original plates. B. Strength and rigidity are the main requirements in structural riveted joints. C. Circumferential joint in boilers is used to get the required diameter of the boiler. And D. Diamond riveting is used for making joints in pressure vessels such as boilers and receivers. So the answer is D. So it's false because diamond riveting is typically used for structural work, not pressure vessels, due to caulking difficulties. So 74. For thickness of plates greater than 8 mm, the diameter of rivet is worked out by using the relation A. D is to square root of T, B. D is equals to 4 square root of T, C. D is equals to 6 square root of T, and D. D is equals to 8 square root of T. So the answer is C. This is known as the Unwin's formula, where D is the rivet diameter and T is the plate thickness both in millimeter, and it is used when the plate thickness is 8 mm or more. So last 75, for plate thickness less than 8 mm, diameter of the rivet should be calculated by A, equating